Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll explain about searching. So basically, we all know what is meaning of searching. Searching is the thing we'll search what we need in a group of raw data. So it is same in programming also. We search the data which we want in a group of raw data using some logics. So basically, in programming language, we have two types of searchings. They are linear searching and binary searching. So linear searching and binary searching. The main difference between these two searchings are in linear search, will in linear search, we'll search data elements each one by one. But this is completely different from binary searching. Why? Because in binary searching, we need data to be in a sorted order, either in ascending or descending order, but we need data in a sorting order. So we can't expect end users to give data in a binary sorting order. So I think it's best to involve sorting algorithm in our binary searching. Now I'll explain about linear search. I'll take some random data for my linear search, that is so this is the random data which I am chosen for my searching, and I want this raw data. I want to search for my value of 9. So my searching element is 9. So I have to start my search from first to until I get the value. Sorry, this is spelling mistake here. Now my search element is 9. So as I said, linear search. What I said, it will search the data one by one until we found data one by one until we found the value we need. So I need to search one by one element in my array. So I'll start my searching. So first I should search for each and every element. My first element, my element is equals to 4. Why? Because that is my first element is 4 equals to 9. Is it true? False. So next, if 8 equals to 9, is it true? False. If 34 equals to 9, is it true? False. If 7 equals to 9, is it true? False. If 9 equals to 9, is it true? Yes, true. So in which position I got? This is my 0th position value. So 4th is my 0th position value, and 8 is my first position value. 34 is my second position value. and 7 is my third position value, and 9 is my fourth position value. So I got my value at my fourth position. Value at fourth position. Searching can be based on different scenarios. In sometimes we'll search to found the position of the value. In sometimes we'll search to find whether the value is present in this group of data or not. So based on our scenario and our need, we'll change the logic of the code. Sometimes we just need a position at which position we are having the value, and sometimes we need whether this value is present in our data or not. So based on our need and necessity, our logic will change. So now I want to check that at which position my value is there. So my value is at fourth position. I got, so I can break the loop. So now we'll discuss the program based on the three basic statements which we used to discuss about, that are input, process, my operations and output. So first of all, input. What is my input? My input is the data which I need for searching my element. So raw data, that is, as I said, for linear search, we can take either numbers or characters. So I'll take numbers for now. And let's take my array name as elements. So I need to scan my elements. Why? Because for this I need my data as dynamic data. I don't want to give some static data and to run my program based on that data only. So I'll take dynamic elements. I'll take for loop here. So in sorting also I take for loop only for take my values, right? So here I'll take while. So for that I need to initialize my element, right? I less than 10. I should initialize the value here with some value, right? Now scanf percent and the ampersand elements I is equals to I plus plus. So I got my value. So for being more specific to the user, I want to give a print statement so that I can understand what's happening right now. So I'll give a print statement. Enter data which is user. Searching. So from here I can get my input values. I'll comment this so you can understand. Yeah. Values. Now I got my data. So what I need next, element which is need for my searching. So I need a variable to store that element. So I'll take a variable called search element, which will be some meaningful name. Search element. Enter your value. You have to search. So scanner percent ID and search element. Now I got my raw data and I got my search element. Now what should we do? I'll go to critical expression and let's see what should we do. So as here I got my raw data for and I got my search element. Now what should I do? I should start executing the if statement. So how many times I should execute? I should execute until I got my value. So I need to execute multiple times the same statement. So I'll use another for loop here. But I already influenced I value, right? So I'll just give value here I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So here what we need a if condition. Why? Because we are searching the if elements only, right? If my element equals to such element. That is what we are checking here, right? So that is what we will do. What is my syntax? If braces condition. What is my condition? Elements of I equals to is the syntax for checking equity elements in if condition. What is my conditions to? What should I do? As I said, I want position. So printf percent and d value on that percent and d position. So what I need is percentile d value. Percentile d my value means my search element value is found at ith position. So for this I need to give search element comma I. As I said, if I got my element, there is no need to again another statements I can give break. What if my element is not there in that data? I mean, if elements is completely I given the data which is not completely there in that array. So else enter element is not present in data. So this is our program. So let's see how it will run. If we have any errors, we can solve while compiling and running the program. While compiling, we'll solve syntax errors. While running, we can solve logical errors. Let me maximize my screen so that you can see clearly. Enter your data which is needed for searching. Sorry, enter 2 spaces. 4, 2, 8, 0, 1, 6, 8, 4, 3. I want to search for 8th. Enter. So I have a program in my problem in my code that is my whenever my statement is running, it is printing a statement. So I need to change this one. Let's do this else for now. Let's run this code. 3 is found in third position. 7th is my 0th position. 4th is my first position. 8th is my second position. And third value is in third position. So, see, I got my accurate program. Now, we should see about else. What if my given search element is not at all present in the data? What should I do? I need to get that information, right, that my data is not present. And because end user should understand what is happening in the program. So what I can do is, I'll take a variable called C and I'll give initially it as equals to 0. If one of my element is equals to my searching element, then C equals to 1. If C equals to 0, if C equals to 0 means I didn't get any match for my search element. That is the condition of this one. Sorry, equals to 0. Where search element is not present in data. So I got my run. Let's run this program. 9. So 5 found at fourth position. So now I'll give that input which is not there in my data. So for that I need to run this program again. So my search element is not present in my data. So what should I do? Because I've given 79 and 79 is not there in my data. So your search element is not real. So the same logic can be applied for either characteristics and we can use same logic for mix of data. Either that characteristics can contain numbers, right? So we can use the search element for mix of data also. So I hope you understand the concept of linear searching, guys. And if you have any doubts according to the linear search, please comment below and let me know if you have any doubts.